Good day, I'm Hilome from Hilome Stunningly Grateful Hair and Beauty Salon, and I've got some exciting news for you today. We have some exciting prizes which will be given away on episode 6 on BASILIEI PATRIA. Competition details is in the description box below, and remember you can win a makeover to the value of 2,500 Rand. You can watch this on the We Are Centurion YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe to We Are Centurion YouTube channel to follow all the exciting episodes about what's going on in our community in Centurion.